So it talks about Rajveer, who's Dino Morio, and who eyed the property of his wife Udita Goswami, who is a Sheena. And there's a photographer, Ricky, who used to take click snaps of Sheena. And in the beginning, she was apprehensive. She actually objected, but later on, he convinced her. And then finally, he brought the photographs at her palace and. There in the beginning everything was fine, but later on he started getting attracted towards her, although she was deeply in love with Rajveer, who was in love with another lady called Tara, and they both wanted her to languish in jail and usurp the property. So he cooked up a story, and he just faked his love for his wife Sheena. And when Imran, Ricky, was having a conversation with Sheena, he actually wanted to get intimate, although he was a good person, but he wanted her also to be attracted towards him. But she objected, and in self-defense, he got killed. And Rajveer purposely had installed a camera in the room so that it will be captured. And later on, when the detective came while playing with the stress ball, he saw the camera, hidden camera. And the video was there, and he took the onus. Rajveer was quite clever and cunning. He took the onus for the murder because he knew that later on detective will be able to find the camera. He languished in jail. In the meantime, the video was released, and she had to be put behind bars. And the butler was also involved in all this, and the butler was the driver as well. So she had to languish in jail, and she didn't know the evil intentions of her hubby. So she handed over the entire property to her hubby, and all three of them, the last scene you can say is the best scene, where all three of them conspirators. One is the butler, who was the driver as well, and Tara and Rajveer, all three of them are in the car, and they're having a gala time because their mission was successful. And the detective is outside. The detective had some clue that there's something fishy. They are involved in it, Rajveer. But since he didn't have any evidence, he couldn't see, and the movie ends. And he has a contemplative contemplative appearance on his face because he was helpless. It's a nice movie, intriguing. I will give 4.5 to 5 stars. Bottom line, never trust sometimes appearance can be very deceptive. So you need to figure it out on your own. The songs are really good. Some of them, Himesh Reshmiya is one, and I'll give 4.5 to 5 stars.